Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include power windows, leather upholstery, power front seats, heated front and rear seats, heated door mirrors, and seat memory. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.